Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. In a race, Ethan has covered 7 by 12 of the total distance, whereas Samuel has covered only 3 by 12. How much less distance has Samuel covered as compared to Ethan? So we have to solve this using number line. So first of all, let us write how much distance is covered by Ethan. So Ethan covered 7 by 12 of total distance. Similarly, Samuel covered 3 by 12 of total distance. It is given in the question. Now we have to find out how much less distance has Samuel covered as compared to Ethan. So first of all, let us draw a number line. So if this is a number line and if this is 0, so here in the left side negative part will come and in the right side positive numbers will come. So numbers are 3 by 12, fractions are, you can say 3 by 12, 7 by 12, this kind of number. So this is less than 1. So if this is 1, so all these fraction will come between 0 and 1. So let's say this is 1 by 12 distance, then this is 3 by 12 distance, then this is 5 by 12 distance, then this is 7 by 12 distance, then this is 9 by 12 distance, and then this is 11 by 12 distance, and this is 12 by 12, that is equal to 1. So in this way, in the number line, these fractions are plotted. Now in the question, it is given that Ethan travels 7 by 12th of the total distance. So if this is 7 by 12th part, so this distance is covered by Ethan. Now Samuel covered 3 by 12 of total distance. So this distance is covered by Samuel. Now how much less distance Samuel covered as compared to Ethan? So basically this is our required distance. The Samuel covered less than Ethan. Now how we can find out is, we can find out by subtracting the distance covered by Ethan and Samuel. Therefore we can say that Samuel covered 7 by 12 minus 3 by 12, which is equal to 4 by 12. So we can say that is 4 by 12 less distance as compared to Ethan. So 4 by 12 is our answer.